All right, boys and girls, BMW has lifted the curtains on the M2 CS. And the article for Car Scoop, it says BMW's new M2 CS breaks cover, and yes, the ducktail is real. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. It really goes a long way. Anyways, the new BMW M2, the BMW has lifted the curtains on the new BMW M2 CS. More power, obviously more expensive, and it doesn't get a complete overhaul or a complete upgrade, but there's a lot to party with this vehicle. Let's start off with this picture here. Now, we obviously get a brand new unique grille that's completely different than the one we had before. Excuse me. The rearview mirrors look pretty cool. We get some bronze wheels, and we just get that oversized quarter panel that I love. Now, look, I'm not a big BMW fan. I've never been a fanboy of BMW, just because of the fact that to me is a very boxy car. When you look at the front of this vehicle, it's boxy everywhere. You get functional air scoops here or air vents, but it's a complete box here in the grill, complete box in the front. It is a complete boxy car that to me, as my taste, doesn't really catch my attention much. Now, this car looks really cool, even though it's exactly what I just explained, still looks really cool. Now, the vehicle performance, as claimed by BMW, is up to 50 horsepower from the previous M2. And it says the tweaked 3.0 liter six-cylinder engine, which is twin turbo, by the way, makes 523 up from the standard M2 that makes 453. And it says the ducktail spoiler, aggressive bumper, and unique grills set this model apart visually. Now, let's get into some picture here. Here has been unveiled. When you obviously see it next to people, it doesn't seem like a very big car. Like, you know, I had a friend of mine that said, oh, that's just the BMW, that's just the Miata for the BMW, which I obviously don't think it is. I don't want to disrespect any BMW fans, because this car is pushing over 500 horsepower. It's up from 50 horsepower. It is twin turbo, but there is a downside to this, and we're going to talk about it in the article right here. The BMW engineers are expected to deploy some cunning tactics to shed some unnecessary pounds from the car, because the model for this car is less weight, more powerful, more track focused vehicle, giving it that pep as a vehicle to be more lively to drive. And it says they're shedding some unnecessary pounds from the car by improving the power to weight ratio. Even further, perhaps, in one piece of news that disappoints enthusiasts, is that the new BMW is going to have only an 8-speed automatic transmission and not a 6-speed manual. And that's a bummer, because I really like manual. We need to make manuals great again, to be honest. But we're gonna get into some pictures here. Massive quarter panel. Love the wheels. These gold bronze wheels are amazing. But we do get that massive quarter panel. Now let's look at the back, and this is something I want to cover here when it comes to the back of the vehicle, where it's that ducktail. Now, don't kill me in the comments. Don't hang me in the comments. But I think that when you look at this vehicle, first glance, it almost seems like it's a BMW who got like an eBay body kit that got slapped on and got some paint on. Again, I'm not much of a BMW fan, but that's what it kind of looks like. Like when you first glance into it, that's what it kind of looks like to me. Now, the ducktail is integrated into a reinforced carbon fiber trunk. We have the sensors here, but this opening here for the lights, this kind of like in depth here for the diffuser, where you can see a lot of the exhaust and the ducktail sticking a lot up. It almost looks to me like, okay, we just threw on an eBay body kit and we painted it. Obviously, when it's a BMW, so you really, it's not correct. But when you really get into it and you're obviously covering the article like me here, it sets in a little bit better. But it's a very exposed exhaust in the back, at least for this BMW M2. And we're going to read a little bit of the article, and it says, apparently BMW just couldn't help itself, of course, because the debut, it's actually Tuesday, May 27th. BMW couldn't help itself. The Bavarian company has released the first official photos of the new BMW CS slipping out during the opening of 2025 Concours d'Elegance Villa d'Este. Alongside, the silver car featured a press material where they got live shots of a blue version of the vehicle. Now, I think the gray color, quote me wrong, might be Brooklyn gray. I could be somewhere around those lines. And it says that BMW is holding the car's full spec until Tuesday of May 27, which is actually the debut. And as we noted in the scoop story below, the headline here is simple: more power, less weight. To put some numbers to that, The car gets a healthier 50 horsepower bump, bringing a total output of 523, while the torque climbs to a solid 479. It could be enough, to shove the smallest M car into a serious performance territory. Look, I honestly like it. The only fact is that it's not coming in a 6-speed manual, but you know what? This car is ready to get down and party, and that's for sure. Nonetheless, this is the blue color. The top here, I'm not sure if it's carbon fiber. Quote me wrong. I'm not a BMW guy. I haven't covered BMW a lot. I do like the M2. If I were to choose a BMW right now, it would be the M2. That's the only one that actually catches my attention, but we'll read a little bit. It says the new images also confirm a few design cues that they were expecting. The BMW M2 adopts a massive CSL style duck spoiler molded into a carbon fiber reinforced trunklet, plus a set of chunky bronze wheels wrapped in wider and thicker rubber. We can see from the pictures that the wheels are actually thicker. The front fascia also gets a distinct treatment, a unique kidney grille design that drops the usual slats entirely. Save for one horizon bar through the middle, the rest of the front bumper is equally aggressive with large air inlets that follow the same parrot down the aesthetics. I think it's cool. But then again, it's such a boxy car for me. When I look at it right here, when I look at this whole front here and the front wheel, I actually like that. And it says BMW has been tasting the flagship version of the M2 for quite some time, and our spy photographs have snapped it yet again. This time it was slightly more revealing camouflage with a pair of particularly lovely wheels and gold finish. That was before they were even unveiling it. Anyway, short little fun video here. The M2 is officially here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one.